Hey everyone, welcome back to Handmade. I'm Gabriella, and I'm gonna be real about something. I have totally fallen in to crafty TikTok. Like, my whole For You page is either crafts or cats, like this one right here, because apparently that's just my life. And recently, people have been obsessing over twisted taper candles. And typically, these are pretty pricey to buy online or in stores, but of course, the crafters of TikTok have found a way to do it themselves. And like everybody else, I was super curious to see if these worked or not, so I tested them, and they actually came out super cute. So today, I'm gonna show you 3 different designs for twisted taper candles, and it's super easy. You can literally just sit on your couch, pull up a small table or desk, and get to it. So let's get started. So to start off, you really want to make sure you have the right candles. Read the labels and make sure that they are paraffin wax candles. If they're not, the second you put them into warm water, they're just gonna break apart and the color's gonna go everywhere. Trust me, I have a lot of broken candles to show for this. So after you make sure you have the right candles, pick your favorite colors. I of course chose my Power Color Pink and a nice green to go with it. For this first step, place your candles in warm water for about 15 to 20 minutes. Make sure the water is not boiling, it just needs to be warm. Throughout the 15 and 20 minutes, you can keep touching your candles to see when they're starting to bend easily. No. Okay, it's been about 15 to 20 minutes and the candles are ready. So when they're ready, it should look like this and be super easy to bend it. So that means it's time to create your design. I personally found that it works best when you keep it underwater and you mold it into the shape that you want. But depending on the design that you're doing, that can be kind of hard. So it's fine if you just splash some water on it as you're going. I'm gonna keep it out of the water this time and splash them because it'll be a little bit difficult to keep it under there. For this first candle, I'm creating a twist design. Flatten the middle and upper part of the candle and make sure you're doing this very slowly. I'm using a roller, but you can honestly use anything round like a glass jar or a glass cup. Just make sure you're doing it very carefully. Now, twist the flattened part until you have the design you want. This part is crucial. You need to do it very slowly because it's very easy to crack the candle. I'm doing it outside of the water, but I'm grabbing a little bit of water and splashing it onto the candle as I twist. This helps with avoiding cracks. For the last step, run it under cold water so the wax sets in this design. And you're done. It's super easy and you can get really creative with your design. This is super cute. I am loving how this came out. I can't wait to put on a candle holder. It's just gonna look so cute. I still have 2 more to make, and this next one can actually stand on its own so you don't need a candle holder with it and you can get really creative with it. When your candle is ready, flatten just the top so it'll be ready to twist. I'm using a roller again. Now, slowly bend the bottom part of the candle into a round shape. Definitely move very slowly with this part because it's extremely easy to crack the candle. Once you're done molding it into a round circle, that makes no sense. Once you're done molding it into a round shape, twist the top part until you're satisfied with the design. Now, run it under cold water. I couldn't fit this one in the vase, so I'm just taking it to the faucet and running it under cold water to set. Look how cute this came out. I just love that it just stands on its own without a candle holder, and I think it's gonna look super cute with the other ones. Now, we just have one more, and it's definitely the easiest one. So for this one, I'm going to slowly mold it almost into like a squiggly line. This, again, needs to be done super slowly. I'm sort of squeezing the parts where it starts to curve just to prevent it from cracking. I just found that this helps. Don't forget to bend the bottom to make it a little straight so that it fits into the candle holder. Now run it under cold water and you're done. Ow! Oh my gosh, these are so cute. I literally love how these came out. These 2 look so good in candle holders, and this one is just so cute. I love that it stands on its own. I'm really happy I tried these. Usually these candles are so expensive to buy, and this project was just super cheap to make. You can find these candles basically anywhere. Let me know in the comments below if you have seen any viral craftions that you want me to try to see if they're worth the hype or not. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.